was about to ask you a question.
Okay, what is it?
Amara, do you know the answer of 9 times 8?
2.
No.
My time.
No, 9 times
5.
8. 9 times 8 equals 72.
This ended. I want to go to bed.
No, it's morning. Remember?
Atara.
Now you're going to bed.
Atara, where have you been last?
On Thursday?
Yes. What did you eat there?
Oh.
Oh, you asked to ano? Yan.
First, can I tell you things on Monday?
Yeah, ikaw
First Monday, I got my first top 10 on Monday
Yeah.
in Volprisa.
Yes.
And then Papa took me to Jollibee. After that, he took me to the arcade. We got
Oh.
and Papa let me eat cotton candy.
Oh. You eat cotton candy. It's not good for you.
I said if he didn't give me cotton candy, I will tell him to take me to a baby playground.
And then?
And then he
Oh,
bought,
nainggit yung isa.
I want cotton candy.
sorry, but I ate all of it.
Don't do that. When you go there, you will eat.
No, I want to eat cotton candy.
And then
No.
And then, what next?
we go
We have
home.
candy here, di ba? We have a candy over there,
Yeah.
and we have a cotton here. So we'll mix the candy and the cotton. It
No,
makes
that's
cotton
not how
candy.
you make cotton candy. You need to get a special device. You put sugar with flavor and put it in the middle. And then you place a stick and wait for it. And then it will make cotton candy.
Isa yung isa po nakasimangot na.
Cotton candy, di ba? We have cotton, we have candy, and put it together, it will become
No!
cotton candy.
No!
Then you eat it.
cannot eat cotton.
But you eat it already. That's a cotton candy.
No, that's edible cotton. Because it's made from sugar.
If you like, it's may stick. It's the cotton buds candy. You like cotton buds candy? It's make lollipop.
That's not even possible. It's not even possible, Pa.
Cotton candy. Cotton candy.
You have to buy a special device to make
I
cotton.
will make you cotton candy.
Tara, what
diba?
you are eating now?
Okay.
First,
Where's
you have,
our cotton?
no, you have to
Makain
make
po
it
yan
with
ng
a
pastel.
special device.
Paborito niya.
Tissue
Every
paper
morning gusto
will
niya
do?
pastel.
No, because
Only cotton?
no,
Ayun po guys,
Ma!
nagtatalo
You
po
make it
sila.
The only ingredient to make cotton candy is sugar.
No, I will make cotton candy. I show you how.
Inggit
No,
saksi kumain
I
siya
just
ng
lit-
cotton candy
I
ate niya.
was literally watching them make cotton candy when you were buying cotton candy.
And watch me. I will make cotton candy.
No, you don't use
I watched a video how to make cotton candy. First you need favorite and sugar, then you need a stick and a special device.
What?
What?
Then-
No, Amara,
then-
first you need the
then
special
what will-
device. Wait,
what will
Amara! Wait. First you need the special device. Then you need flavored sugar. Any flavor
Ay nako
you
guys,
want.
hindi ko alam kung hanggang
Then you
saan ang
put it
pagtatalo
inside
nito.
the circle of
Bay na nga
the
po.
special device.